everyone! Thank you Lord for another day. So for today's video, I'll be sharing with you ang libreng bag na pinamigay ni Mayor sa ating mga grade 7 to 11 learners this school year 2026 to 2027. So this bag looks like an envelope. It's color moss green with linings of orange and the logo of Caloocan City. Open natin siya. Ayan. So, rectangular yung shape niya. It looks like an envelope, pero may ganito siya. Pwede siyang ganyan. Tapos pwede rin ganyan-ganyan. Hawakan mo lang siya. Diba? So, let's see what's inside the bag. So, may zipper here. So, you can put your stuff. And, yung zipper nga lang niya ay nasa ilalim. Normally, diba, we open it sa top like this. But dahil nandito yung handle, nandito yung kanyang opening na zipper. Ay, nalaglag! Ayan. Oh, may laman! It looks like a refill ng filler. Ayan. Tapos, dito mo siya ilalagay. So, kaya pala, nasa ilalim siguro yung zipper kasi attached naman to here. So, hindi siya ganun malalaglag. I just don't know kapag nilagyan mo ng laman. So, dapat igaganon mo siya, ibabaliktad when you open. Para hindi malaglag yung mga laman. So, aside from that, meron din siyang here, lagayan. Siguro, dito siguro, I think tablet malalagay dito or small laptop. And there's a Velcro seal. And naka-net na zipper here on the other side na may lamang ruler, highlighter, ballpen na black and red. Ayan, kasi sasara natin. Ito siya. Ayan. And then you put this here. So you wanna take notes or anything. Wow! Ayun lang. So, that's it for today. Maraming salamat, Mayor Along Malapitan, sa inyong handog sa aming grade 7 to 11 learners. And this is the bag. Pwede siyang ganito. Habaan natin.
Aww.